you have those companies that they're not making it hard for their agents, to be honest, but they're saying, hey, you know what? If you take a loan on this policy, we're not giving you renewal commission. And so you're going to have to find an uber honest agent that's going to say, oh yeah, loan against all the policies I have written. And everybody take a full loan and then I give up renewal commission. A good person would do that. Somebody that needs the money to live isn't going to do that. And so I'm not going to judge the agent by that. But the companies are penalizing their agents because they don't want a loan. Well, if the company doesn't want a loan on that policy, then we should probably be asking why the company doesn't want a loan on the policy. Yeah. Or what are they not understanding? Because I remember Nelson telling me that, well, some companies look at it as an asset. Some companies look at it as a liability. And if we're looking at it as a liability, they don't want all those loans. So are they not managing their financials well enough that a loan on a policy is scary? Because we need the money for things that we've maybe mismanaged versus giving it to the policyholders. Same thing as a bank not releasing collateral. Why aren't you releasing collateral? Did you overlend? Mm-hmm. Like, it makes me wonder why a life insurance company is going to not want to lend money, because in the contract it says it's yours. So it doesn't make a lot of sense.
Loans, especially early loans, I understand how it can be difficult financially on a life insurance company to take early policy loans. I get that. And okay, so I acknowledge that. But how are you running your portfolio? Here we are coming out of the lowest interest rate environment ever. You know, a 5.5%, 6%, 7%, 8%, 9% policy loan was a pretty dang good return for a life insurance company who couldn't go out and get 4 or 5% on a bond. Mm-hmm. So, like I said, you know, we're coming out of that interest rate environment. Well, okay, well, they're going to raise their loan interest rates anyway, the life insurance companies. Mm-hmm. You know, I'm with you. Of course, you know, the regulators may look at the life insurance companies a little differently too. I've heard the various companies say they don't want to do first year loans and they'll not pay a commission or they'll do whatever. And at the end of the day, I don't really care what the life insurance company does as long as they're well run, you know, as long as they have a well-run portfolio distribution system, a proper commission structure, and I don't care. Other than that, let me go do what I want to do anyway, which is control the banking function as it relates to me in my life. But I don't feel sorry for them. You know, that the people that are practicing the infinite banking concept, they're actually repaying loans, right? So that's a great asset or revenue for the life insurance company.